welcome everyone. I'm out on a very cold but very beautiful January morning, out at Ravenscar today, to see what we can find down here. I love going to Ravenscar, one of my favourite places. You can find all kinds of different stuff here. So just making my way down through the jungle, and I'll catch you when I'm on the beach. So here's the old tractor that you walk past on the way down to Ravenscar. I think from memory there was a shipwreck, I don't know, maybe in the 60s, 70s, and the cargo was worth rescuing. So I think they got a few tractors down here to try and get some of or rescue some of the cargo, but the tractors got stuck and they couldn't get the tractors back up, which isn't surprising considering how steep it is and how much of a jungle it is. But yeah, cool little reminder of how dangerous and tough the terrain can be around here. So yeah, just take care when you come into Ravenscar. If it's your first time, don't come alone, go with somebody who knows where they're going, because it is easy to get lost down here. And in the summer, when the heather grows and the ferns grow, there's loads of ticks. So yeah, just be careful with that as well. Right, so that's me down onto the beach. It's about 100 degrees warmer down here than it was at the top. So a few layers are off. So before you even get to the bit where you can look for fossils, you've got about a 10-minute scramble over all these rocks to finally get to the first bay, where you can start finding stuff. And I'm going to make my way straight across to the far bay, because really I want some grammos today. The sign of a duck, but it looks like it's a bit crushed and maybe not all there. Okay, here's another one, but again that one looks like it's not complete, and the middle's probably blown on that one. Spotted one down here, there we go. Looks a bit squashed as well. I'll leave that one. Well, there's definitely sign of an ammonite there. Looks like a grammo block, so I'll give it a tap and see what's in there. Right, so I've tapped it open, and there's a lovely brown grammosterus in this bit, and also in this bit I've spotted a gold grammosterus sticking out there. So hopefully that'll prep out nice. Right, this is called my oh, it's wedged, but I can see that shape of an ammonite there, which is interesting. I think we'll have to tap it open, see if there's anything else in there. Well, there's nothing else in there, and that, whatever it was, right on the edge, look, almost pretty much fully worn out. That's a shame. Okay, I found this shelly block looking like this. So I've just tried to give it a few taps, and I can definitely see there's one in there. I'm just going to keep going and see if there's anything else in there. And there's a little one. Was that the one that was there originally? Probably was. Oh no, that's still there, look. Alright, do a few more hits. That looks like a nice split. Hopefully there's a nice big one in the middle of that split. Well, there was, but it's obliterated. That's a shame. Would have been a nice one. Where was the little one? like the little one's gone. Oh, got that small one. That would be a keeper. Okay, so I've made it to the far bay, and it's just a beautiful place to be. Just so remote, like so few people will have ever set foot here. So yeah, it just makes it even more magical. But yeah, let's do what we came here to do and try and find some fossils. So this is a cool little block. There's a lot of shells in there. There's part of an ammonite there. And I did see, if it focuses, a lovely little gold one just there, look. Nice. Right, we've got an interesting block here. Can definitely see a few signs there, so I'm going to give that a hit and hope that there's some more inside. It's a tough block. Wow. Here we go. Now, that's disappointing. Very disappointing. Right, I've just smashed up this bit, and actually this small little grammo popped out, but that was all that was in there. So I'm not sure if somebody else has split this or whether it did just split naturally, but there's one in there. I might try and tap that down, just see if I can get a bit closer to it. Okay, so I've chiselled it out and it looks like it's all there, so it should be fairly easy to prep now that I've got it at that angle. Yeah, could be a nice one. Right, I've just started tapping this block and notice that came off with the nice shape of a ammonite keel there, so on further inspection it looks like there's one there, but it's right on the edge. And I've got a nice crack starting, so I'll finish that off. Yeah, look at that, it's smashed through that ammonite. Let's see if there's anything else in there. You can see one there. Look at that. There's a big crack running across it. Otherwise it would have been quite nice. Might still keep it, just see what I can do with it. Okay, here's a game of spot the fossil. Let's see if you can spot the fossil. It's not an easy one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Right, we've got a nice split on this one, and inside we've got nice Pseudo-Eliosaurus. Very nice. Yeah, I think this prepped out nicely. Got some amazing sutures on it. So yeah, very happy with this. There's a nice little DAC and picked up, look like it's all there as well. Give that a little tap. Yeah, not the best of splits unfortunately. Well, this would have been a nice gramo block, but unfortunately the edge has come away. There's a small one in there. Just split this one, but didn't really get a very nice split on it, which is a shame because that's a nice goldy coloured one in there. But oh well, that's how it happens sometimes. Okay, let's spy a fossil here hidden in the rocks. Is it going to be all there? Yeah, probably is. Looks nice. I'm not sure it's all there. Might be a centre to it though. Right, I've just managed to hammer this out of a loose shale block. So yeah, might see if I can get it down a little bit more. It might be quite nice. Yeah, that's got potential. Right, found this beastie in this shale block, so I think I'm going to try and chisel this out and see if I can do it without it breaking. Well, as is often the case with these ones preserved in shale, it splits a bit. I don't think it had a middle anyway. Yeah, found one. So let's have a look. Is it all going to be there? Hopefully. Yeah, that one looks like a good one. Definitely a keeper. Okay, let's play another game and spot the fossil. No, is that all there? I think that's mouth border. I think it's missing a little bit there. It's a shame. Yeah, this was a lucky find. I've just put my backpack down and noticed it's right next to it. That looks like it definitely is all there, and quite a chunky one as well. Nice. Right, I've just hit this out of a larger block. I don't know if that's all one, or two of them. But yeah, very nice. Right, so here's a quick roundup of what I found. There's not an awful lot. There's some nice little gramos. In here. The golden one there. And there's one in the corner there. So they're the gramos. Got some DACs there. I think those four aren't complete. This one looks nice, but it might have a bit of crushing on that whorl. But these two look alright. It looks like that's probably a full one there, and a nice chunky one there. I think we've got a nice cat. all looks to be there. And then the star of the show was this Pseudolioceras, which looks really nice. I don't know if you can pick out the sutures on it. But yeah, that should prep out nice. It's on a nice matrix as well, so should be able to keep it on there. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, that's me done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do please like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to the channel, and it means I can carry on coming out here and making more videos for you.